goodness.
Ew, it is a rat. That's in our yard.
How can you see it?
Oh, what is it?
It's a bird.
Oh, poor little birdie.
Oh my goodness, this cat is brutal. I don't know that we can put this on our YouTube channel. We might.
I've never seen a cat kill that big of prey. She's down there.
What's going on?
She's eating the birds again. Do you want glasses?
Dude, she is a brute. Okay, well, Lisa, I see you in a totally different light now.
Yeah, see, you're all, like, you gotta tear it up in little pieces. I'm like, she eats whole rats.
That's when I'm saying that, it's because that bird, she can sit there and like put her paw on. When you throw her a piece of meat that's too small to chew, but she can't put her paw on it to hold it down. Wow.
Why does she do that if we give her cat food?
What's more important is how come this phone isn't getting any good at...
She's doing that because she's a predator, Mama.
Yeah, so
No,
she's
we
doing
gave
what
her
she's
cat
designed
food.
to
She
do.
doesn't need to do that.
Well, she's a predator.
Yeah, the cat food is, this is dessert.
It's pretty crazy, huh?
She wants back.
I've never seen a cat get that big of a prey before.
I'm really disappointed in this phone that it's not getting...
You want mine?
No, this is a better phone than yours. It's just because of the low light. I'm going to try a different camera.